Hello everyone! Welcome back to Manch's Art and Hobbies. Today, me and my family are going away. From Toronto, we are traveling to the town of Washago. We will be there for the long weekend. This is a holiday in Ontario. We call this civic holiday, and we'll be away for 3 nights and 4 days. We rented out a cottage in Washago, and we'll have some family fun and bonding. We will enjoy some activities in the lake, in the river, bonfire, and some picnicking or walking, and a lot more of fun activities. So I hope you join me in all these adventures that we're going to have. I will be showing you at least new places, new things, and new environments. So come and join me again in this adventure in Manch's Art and Hobbies. So stay tuned. The drive from Toronto to Washago is about 2 hours. So we left Toronto at 5 o'clock. We're expected to be in the cottage around 7 p.m. So what's the time now? Okay, it's 6 o'clock, and wow, the weather is very good today. The sun is still up there and shining, and it's very warm today. We are just enjoying the drive right now. Earlier there's a little bit of traffic, but now it's getting smooth. So this is how the scenery along the road looks like here in Ontario, Canada. We'll take you there, so it's going to be a while. I hope to see you later. So we are now in the township of Washago, north of Toronto. It took us almost 2 hours to get here. 6:57 in the evening. And still a little bit light. You can still see the sun. So we're almost there in our cottage. We're just trying to find it. Okay, here we come. This is the house. And this is my big family. 8 people will be staying there. Let's see the cottage. Okay. Let's see the inside. Oh, there's so many games here, board games. It's cool. But they have a very big refrigerator. Look at the fridge.
Oh my god.
Can you open the fridge wide for me, please? What's in there? All water?
So
Oh my
I think this
God.
is the freezer, and then this is the refrigerator.
This is a huge refrigerator. So big. You want to sleep there? They have a nice kitchen.
That's amazing.
Amazing. Ooh, beautiful. This is the dining room. Wow, I love this. Can we see the
Great.
Can we see the rooms?
Whoa!
This is the bathroom. Where's the light? Oh, it's a little bit dark. Maybe there should be another one. The washroom is good. It's a double sink. There's a lot of towels. There's a big bathtub here and a shower room. Wow, nice. And look at that. I like it. And then this room is nice. It has a big bed there with a double deck. Nice. This house has 4 bedrooms, 2 washroom. So this is another bedroom. Oh, I like this bedroom. You know why? It is facing the river. That's the river. There's a deck outside. And from the outside, you can go down. So this is the deck. There's an umbrella, a table, and I'm here on top of the deck, and I will show you. Down there is a fire pit. Tonight we're going to do a bonfire. We have firewood we bought from Home Depot. And then I think this building here is the storage for the kayak, the boat, and the paddleboard. I'm gonna do paddle boarding, and I will show it to you here in my YouTube channel. So this is cool. And there are some more rooms in the basement, which I'm gonna check out. And then we're going down to the basement, which looks amazing. Oh, this is an entertainment room. There's a big television with lots of movies there. There's a popcorn maker right there. And let me see the rooms. This is another bathroom. Oh, nice. Beautiful bath. And where's the bunk bed? Oh, yeah, it's big.
There's 3 beds. The under ones.
There's another, a pull-out bed. I like that kind of bed. It's a double decker. Plus, there's a pull-out bed. A pull-out. Let me see how deep. Oh, look at that. Another bed. So, 3 people can sleep in one room. Nice. Nice. I like this bed. Oh, I wish I could buy one like this. So that's the 3rd bedroom, and the other bedroom is this one. It has a queen size bed. And what is this door? Hello, there's a Looney. Hello, Looney. So that's how it looks, guys. That's going to be our home for the next 4 days here in the township of Washago, Ontario. It's up north from Toronto, and I'm excited now. So for tonight, we will have our dinner, our bonfire. We brought our own food from Toronto, and then tomorrow we would find a farmer's market somewhere around that we can show you and have fun.